Hello everybody, welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. The kitchen has always been more than just a place to prepare meals. It's the heart of the home, where conversations begin, memories are created, and daily life flows with ease. When remodeling, the goal is no longer just about updating appliances or replacing cabinets. It's about designing a space that feels inviting, efficient, and deeply connected to the way we live. Modern kitchen design embraces clean lines, smart functionality, and materials that are both durable and beautiful. It blends comfort with creativity, turning a simple cooking area into a central hub that reflects personal style while still being practical for everyday use. Whether the focus is on maximizing storage, opening up the layout, or introducing natural textures, a remodeled kitchen has the power to transform the entire atmosphere of a home. With the right choices, it becomes a space that inspires, energizes, and welcomes everyone who steps inside. An open concept layout has become one of the most sought-after approaches in modern kitchen remodeling. By removing walls and barriers, the kitchen flows seamlessly into the dining and living areas, creating a spacious environment that feels bright, connected, and welcoming. This design encourages interaction, whether it's preparing meals while chatting with family or entertaining guests without feeling isolated from the rest of the home. Open layouts also allow natural light to travel freely, making the entire space feel larger and more inviting. To anchor the design, kitchen islands often serve as multifunctional hubs, providing extra prep surfaces, casual seating, and a natural spot for gathering. The result is a kitchen that not only looks expansive but also adapts beautifully to both everyday living and social occasions. A modern kitchen isn't complete without smart storage solutions that keep everything organized and within easy reach. Clutter-free countertops and neatly arranged cabinets create a sense of calm, making the space both functional and visually appealing. Hidden pull-out pantries, deep drawers with dividers, and clever corner units maximize every inch, ensuring no space goes to waste. Custom cabinetry plays a big role here, offering tailored compartments for cookware, utensils, and even small appliances. This approach allows the kitchen to maintain sleek, clean lines while still meeting the demands of everyday use. With thoughtful storage design, the kitchen feels open and spacious, proving that efficiency and style can work hand in hand. A statement kitchen island has become the centerpiece of many modern remodels, combining practicality with striking design. More than just an extra countertop, the island often serves as a social hub where meals are shared, conversations unfold, and daily routines come together. It offers valuable workspace for cooking, room for built-in storage, and the option to integrate sinks, stovetops, or even wine coolers. Design-wise, islands can make a bold impact through size, shape, and materials. Waterfall countertops that cascade down the sides add a sculptural effect, while contrasting cabinetry or unique finishes turn the island into a visual focal point. Whether large or compact, the right island elevates the entire kitchen, blending function and style in a single feature. Countertops set the tone for the entire kitchen, and choosing the right material can make all the difference. Modern remodeling often highlights surfaces that balance beauty with durability, ensuring they can withstand daily use while still looking elegant. Natural stone, quartz, and high-quality composites are among the most popular choices, each offering unique textures and finishes that add character to the space. Large, seamless slabs are especially appealing, creating a sleek and continuous look with fewer joints. These surfaces not only enhance the sense of luxury but also make cleaning and maintenance easier. By selecting a countertop that reflects both personal taste and practical needs, the kitchen gains a timeless centerpiece that brings everything together. Lighting plays one of the most important roles in shaping the atmosphere of a modern kitchen. Beyond its practical purpose, it sets the mood, highlights design features, and brings warmth into the space. A layered approach works best. Task lighting ensures work areas like countertops and sinks are well lit. Ambient lighting creates an inviting overall glow, and accent lighting draws attention to details such as shelving, artwork, or textured backsplashes. Pendant lights over kitchen islands make a stylish statement, while discrete LED strips under cabinets provide both function and a modern touch. For those who want a dramatic effect, a bold chandelier or sculptural light fixture can instantly transform the space. With the right balance, lighting becomes more than just illumination, it becomes a defining element of the kitchen's design. Sustainability has become an essential part of modern kitchen remodeling, with more homeowners choosing eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances. Cabinets made from responsibly sourced wood or recycled materials bring both style and conscience into the design. Countertops crafted from recycled stone or composite blends offer durability while reducing environmental impact. Appliances also play a key role, with energy-efficient ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers helping to lower utility bills while conserving resources. Even small details, like water-saving faucets or LED lighting, contribute to a greener home. By combining smart technology with sustainable choices, the kitchen becomes not only modern and functional but also environmentally responsible. A backsplash is no longer just a practical element to protect the walls, it has become a canvas for creativity and design expression. Modern kitchens embrace bold choices, from full slab backsplashes that extend seamlessly from the countertop to eye-catching tiles with geometric or textured patterns. These designs add depth and personality, turning a functional feature into a statement piece. Using contrasting colors or unexpected materials, such as glass or metal, can make the backsplash stand out even more. For those who prefer a refined look, subtle textures in natural stone or a continuation of the countertop material create elegance without overwhelming the space. The backsplash also offers an easy way to introduce character without changing the entire kitchen, making it ideal for remodels of any size. Whether dramatic or understated, a thoughtfully chosen backsplash has the power to redefine the entire kitchen and leave a lasting impression. One of the most striking trends in modern kitchen design is the move toward concealed and integrated layouts. By blending appliances and storage seamlessly into cabinetry, the kitchen takes on a sleek, uncluttered appearance that feels almost like an extension of the living space. This approach is especially appealing in open-plan homes, where a minimalist look helps maintain harmony across different areas. Refrigerators hidden behind panel doors, dishwashers disguised within drawers, and even ovens styled to match cabinetry create a streamlined effect. The result is a kitchen that appears clean and organized, even when it's full of activity. Concealed designs bring a sense of calm and elegance, proving that functionality doesn't have to interrupt beauty. A modern kitchen truly comes to life when it reflects the personality and lifestyle of the people who use it. Personalized touches add character, transforming a standard design into a space that feels uniquely yours. Custom shelving for displaying favorite dishes, carefully chosen hardware that complements the overall style, or a dedicated coffee nook are all simple ways to make the kitchen feel more tailored. For those seeking something distinctive, incorporating unique finishes or handcrafted elements can add a layer of individuality. Even small details, like accent lighting inside cabinets or a signature color for the island, make a lasting impression. These thoughtful additions ensure the kitchen isn't just functional, it becomes a space that tells a story and feels truly connected to home. Bringing natural elements into the kitchen adds warmth and balance to modern design. Materials like wood, stone, and greenery soften sleek surfaces and create a space that feels both inviting and timeless. Wooden cabinetry, open shelving, or even subtle accents like bar stools can introduce texture and a sense of comfort. Warm, earthy color palettes also play an important role, making the kitchen feel cozy while still maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. Soft neutrals, muted browns, and natural stone tones pair beautifully with metal finishes or contemporary lines. These touches ground the space, ensuring it feels welcoming, lived in, and full of character. Even small details like a bowl of fresh herbs, a stone accent wall, or wood grain finishes can bring nature closer to everyday life. Blending these organic elements with modern features creates a kitchen that feels harmonious and enduring. Modern kitchens are no longer limited to cooking alone, they've evolved into truly multipurpose spaces. A well-planned remodel can transform the kitchen into a hub for dining, entertaining, and even working from home. Movable islands, foldable tables, and expandable counters provide flexibility, adapting to the changing needs of the household. This versatility makes the kitchen more practical and welcoming, allowing it to serve as a space for everything from family breakfasts to evening gatherings. Thoughtful layouts that include charging stations, extra seating, or hidden storage make the room functional without sacrificing style. In today's homes, a kitchen designed for flexibility ensures it remains useful and enjoyable for years to come. Technology is playing a bigger role in shaping modern kitchens, blending convenience with innovation. Smart appliances, like refrigerators that help manage groceries or ovens that can be controlled through a phone, bring both efficiency and ease. Touchless faucets and voice-activated lighting systems also add a level of practicality, making everyday tasks smoother and more hygienic. Charging stations built into countertops or islands ensure devices stay powered without clutter, while hidden screens or speakers can make cooking and entertaining more enjoyable. These features aren't just about luxury, they create a kitchen that adapts to the pace of modern life. By integrating technology seamlessly into the design, the kitchen becomes smarter, more responsive, and a true reflection of contemporary living. The final layer of any remodel is in the details, and finishing touches are what transform a kitchen from functional to truly memorable. Carefully chosen bar stools, pendant lighting, or a textured backsplash can tie the entire design together while adding personality. Open shelving styled with everyday items or decorative pieces provides both beauty and practicality, keeping the space inviting and lived in. Adding plants, natural textiles, or even a piece of artwork softens the modern lines and gives warmth to the overall design. Small accents like elegant hardware or a carefully chosen rug can make the room feel more complete without overwhelming the space. These thoughtful details ensure the kitchen feels not only modern and polished but also full of character, making it a space everyone enjoys spending time in. Remodeling a kitchen is about so much more than updating cabinets or appliances. It's about creating a space that blends style, function, and comfort in a way that feels personal and lasting. From open layouts and statement islands to smart technology and eco-friendly choices, the possibilities are endless for shaping a kitchen that truly fits modern living. Each design element, whether big or small, plays a role in building a space that inspires, welcomes, and evolves with your lifestyle. The beauty of a well-designed kitchen is that it doesn't just serve the practical needs of cooking, it becomes the heart of the home, a place where people naturally gather and connect. With thoughtful choices and attention to detail, any remodel can turn the kitchen into a timeless centerpiece filled with warmth and character. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who love design, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more inspiration on transforming your home with style and purpose.